Hi everyone, the small engine mechanic here. Today I'm going to show you a little trick to find the source of a hydraulic leak. One way is to look for where the pump or motor is clean while everything else is dirty. But, that will give you an idea of the area of the leak. The way we're going to do it today, we will need to clean the pumps off with a pressure washer. And the best thing I've found for detecting a leak is none other than baby powder. It even leaves a pleasant smell too. Using it is very simple. Once the pumps or motor has been cleaned and dry, just squeeze the container towards the unit and it will naturally stick to everything. This can work for all types of leaks. From hydraulics to oil leaks, to even fuel leaks from the engine. Now that it has been applied thoroughly, we can start the engine and let the hydraulics warm up. Already found the return hose leaking. A quick tighten of the clamp, and that's fixed. As you can tell, this bypass valve is still covered with powder, while this one is getting darker. You can even see the moisture building up. So, I need to replace the seals on this. Seals have been replaced and there is no more leaks. And with that,
it looks like another one is good to go.